Hey guys, today I'm going to make some Frito Pie. So let's get toasting. This is real simple. 3 ingredients. Fritos corn chips, chili, and cheese. My girlfriend Linda's from Texas, so she said they used to make this a lot. So I'm going to just put some of these chips, these Fritos corn chips, in the bottom of my 10-inch cast iron skillet here. Just kind of eyeball it. Doesn't really matter. It's kind of like making nachos, you know. Just put some chips in there and about enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Looks about right. Now we'll use chili. She bought this stuff. She bought the stag chili, but she said they used to use wolf chili. That was the kind they used to use because that is made in Texas. So you can use whatever kind of chili that you like. Get that on there like that. Okay, that's good. And then we just sprinkle the cheese on top. As much cheese as you like. So get the cheese on there and we'll get this into the toaster oven. I'm using my toaster oven for this. This 10-inch cast iron skillet fits perfectly in there. I have the oven rack down on the bottom. And on this oven I'm going to use the air fry setting, which is 425 degrees Fahrenheit. But if your oven doesn't have that, just set it to bake and at about 400 degrees. It's been 7 or 8 minutes. Let's see how this looks. All you really want to do is melt the cheese and warm up the chili. So the chili's already cooked, so that looks good. Let's get it out of there. Alright, let's grab a fork and try this out. And this is real basic. You can add other toppings as well, you know, sour cream, onions, tomatoes, salsa, anything you like, you know, on you know, Mexican food or nachos or tacos or whatever. You know, it's like similar type of thing. So get a little bite of it all. The chips stay nice and crispy there, so they didn't get soggy. So let's try a bite here. That's real good. That's fairly easy and inexpensive as well. Well, I guess we'll see what Annie thinks. This will be the first taste test in the new house. Want to try this, Annie? There you go. And you can see we have a new kitten. That's Honey. That's Annie's new sidekick. I guess it's Annie approved. Should we add a taste test cat to the mix here? Well, that was good, and it's real easy to make. Even the grandkids could do that one. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.